this guided meditation for nurturing and healing your inner child. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down, and let your eyes come to rest. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose, all the way down into your belly, and slowly and completely exhale through your mouth. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feel the ground beneath you. Let your body know you're safe in this moment. Shift your focus from the outside to the inside, not to escape the world, but to enter a quieter one. In this inner space, imagine a long hallway, pale white floor and walls, dim light, soft air. Doors on each side marked only by years. You walk slowly. Each of your steps echo lightly through the hallway. One door draws you in. You don't know why, but your body remembers. Can you see the year on the door? You open it. The pale white continues into the room. In the center of an otherwise empty space sits a younger version of you on the floor. Legs pulled in, eyes alert. Seeing this younger you, your chest may slightly tighten. Let it. Just breathe once gently, allowing space for whatever arises. You don't approach quickly. You simply stand there, letting them see you, letting the years between you soften. The silence tells the story of everything you carried and everything you never received. You take a slow breath, walk up to them, and sit beside them, close enough to show presence, far enough not to overwhelm. Your inner child turns slightly toward you, small, tired, and brave in ways no child should need to be. You notice the subtle stories their body carries, the faint memory of emotional wounds, not heavy now, just traces of what shaped you and where resilience grew. You offer your hand. They place their hand in yours, hesitant at first, then with a trust that breaks something open in you. If it feels right, open your arms now and invite your inner child into an embrace. Feel their small body soften against yours. Relief rising like sunlight breaking through a morning fog. You gently sway, cradling them, as if whispering safety into their bones. As you look into each other's trusting eyes, let your voice meet them gently. I am here now. You don't have to carry anything alone. Your feelings are important. Your needs are valid. Your life has purpose. You matter. God made you with intention. Nothing about you was ever too much. You were never a burden, and always worthy of love. Failures were never proof of your weakness. They were steps toward growth, opportunities to learn and rise. You didn't fail. You adapted. Their shoulders ease. Their expression brightens. Not healed, but seen. You become the safe, present adult you once needed. Loving, affirming, grounded. You allow your inner child and your present self to step into your true essence, into the life your healed self is meant to live. And here you remember. What others think of you and your story does not matter. The only opinion that truly matters is your own. What others couldn't give you says nothing about your worth. As you let this truth anchor inside you, feel any lingering heaviness, tiredness, loneliness, old aches begin to loosen as compassion takes its place. Invite your inner child gently into your heart space, a warm chamber inside your chest, where they can rest, grow, and stay close. Not as a memory, but as a living part of you. As they settle in, whisper, "You are home with me, and I am home in myself." Take a deep breath in and a long, soft breath out. Begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, and let your eyes open whenever you are ready. If this meditation supported you, a like, share, or subscription would truly mean a lot. It helps this space reach others on their healing journey.